Welcome to Web 16 coding. Today we learn how to register the student in database using through SpringBoot. First of all, you make one index page to show your main page and put one link for registration page. I have one registration page Gurukul. There is one login and register. I was made one registration page. You can make from internet or using through any templates. Okay. Firstly, we can run this project and check our index page run or not. So it's ready. You can fire your home page. So this is your home page, and you can go to Eclipse. First, you can go to home controller and create one controller for Gurukul, means this student portal for this page mapping Gurukul. There is a one button registration, so you can make controller for registration. Let's copy and change the name. Okay, now you can go to Gurukul and check. There is a registration. You can put here and you can check registration here. Please check spelling mistakes. Okay, now my control is ready for go to registration page. First, you can add one dependencies. MySQL 8.0.32. From the internet, you can search connector, MySQL connector, and choose any dependency 8.03 or not to connect with the database. Okay, and you can go to SRC main resources and application properties to add Spring Data configuration. You can click here, or I will give you a URL for this. You can search on internet Spring JPA configuration, and there is a configuration. You can copy and paste. Okay, you give a driver name, username, password. SQL query shows true or not. Okay, and we can create two packages, service or repository. Okay, you can make one bean package and repo package and service package. In bean package, you can create one class for bean, just like an entity. You can give one annotation entity. Okay, you can write variables for map in database. Private string name private. You can write variables depend on your registration field. It's like a name, parent name, date of birth. You can give a same name as a variable name, DOB, and go to student demo, same name. When you give not a same name, you got an error. Okay, you can generate getter, setter, and superclass constructor. From source, you can go to source, click, automatic your constructor are generated, and getter, setter also. Select all, generate, and toString method also. This is your entity class. Okay, you can go to you can create one class for CRUD controller, give annotation controller, and make one method public key public string रहेगी. You can give any name. Okay, return okay. You can give one annotation, request mapping, okay, and give a path. Okay, this path is a comes from registration page, form and action. This and method are post, so you can paste here and write method request method dot post. Okay, ready. Can give one annotation, model attribute. Model attribute automatic create your registration object here. Stud, can give any name, create student demo stud. Okay, and you can go to service layer. You can create service package, some sub package of main package, and create one class and give annotation service and create write one method for business logic, public boolean. You can give any return type, registration, student stud. Okay, return by default you can return false this time, and create one more sub package repo. You can create one interface and extends CRUD repository for SQL queries. CRUD repository have already methods, predefined methods you can use directly. Student demo, and you can check your ID first in begin class. Your ID is string type. Okay, so you can give a string. Okay, you can create one object in service class using through auto add annotation, repo r. Okay, you can give one annotation. It is auto add. It is used for create automatic object. Okay, you can write r dot save. You can call save method. So your data is saved. You can go to CRUD controller and call this method. So you can create first of all object of service class. Service class name is service layer. Okay, service layer ser and give annotation head auto add. Okay, and call through ser dot registration. This method I create. So okay, can call this method and return same page. I can go to your home controller and check registration. Okay, you can check this data, rerun your program. Okay, automatically create a table are created through a Spring Data JPA. Okay, you can go to web browser and refresh your page. Go to registration page and give any name, password, parent name, mail ID, web@gmail.com. Okay, give any date of birth, last class, grade, and address, and register here. So there is one error, registration not found. Okay, we can check. Okay, query is fire. Okay, we can check in our database. Refresh Gurukul boot, Gurukul demo. Okay, so data is here in your database. You can check here completely. This error just because we have no mapping for registration, but your registration is completely done. So thank you for watching. We will give you all of notes in description, and next process is the login process and delete and update. So stay in our page, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.